Hi, my name is Catherine. I'm a speech pathologist at Scope, and I'm going to give you an introduction into using the Tools2Talk Now app to make communication aids on the go. When you open the app, you can see that we can go into boards to make customized communication aids, or we can go into calendars to make a range of different calendar communication aids. In the boards feature, we can select create new to make a new board, or we can make a board from a template. I'm going to show you first how to make a board without a template. We select create new, then type in the board name and change the amount of columns and rows and select save. From here, we can customize these boards very easily through the features on the left-hand side of the page where you can add PCS, Compic symbols or photos, change the styles of the cells, the text in the cells, the spoken output of the cells, and so much more. I'm going to make this board now and speed it up for you so you can see the end result. Once I'm finished, I'll walk you through how I customize this board. So here's our end result. I've used the tabs down the left-hand side of the page to customize this board. So under page is where I can change the name of the board, add rows, change the margins and the space between the cells and the page color. Under row is where we can change the height of the cells and the number of the cells in the row. Under text is where we can change the text that appears in the cells and also the spoken output of the cells and the style of the text in the cells too. Under images is where we can add images from the PCS or Compic library, a live photo, or from the gallery on your device too. Under cell style, we can change the style of the cells, so the width of the cell, and we can also edit the color of the cell, the borders, the rounding, and add a strike through as well. We can also print this board and we can also share it. So, as I mentioned before, we can also make boards from templates. Tools2Talk now has some great templates that can make creating communication aids quick and easy. So start by selecting Create New, enter the name of the board, and then under Templates, select the template you would like to customize. You can see a huge range of templates to choose from on the Tools2Talk Now app. I'm going to show you a few of the templates in fast motion. And of course, once you've chosen your template, you can customize it. Here's one that I prepared earlier. In the boards feature, there's also the talk function, which is where you can select a board that you have made and hear the speech output. All you need to do is select the cell that you want to hear the speech output, and the board will play the speech output that you have programmed for each cell. The last feature I want to show you in the Tools2Talk Now app is the calendars feature, which is where you can make a range of different calendar communication aids. So you start by selecting calendars, select create new, and type in the name of the calendar. And you can see that under format, we can choose to make a monthly calendar, a weekly calendar, a month-long work week calendar, or a week-long work week calendar. You can also choose the start date of the calendar too, and select OK and save. So once you've chosen your template, you can customize it. I'm going to speed up the footage and do this now. So here we have our end product. Customizing a calendar is similar to customizing a board. We can use the features down the left-hand side of the page to change the way in which the calendar looks. So that actually brings us to the end of this video. There's so much more in this app to explore. Today's video has shown you some of the many ways you can use the Tools2Talk Now app to create communication aids on the go. For more tutorials on how to use the app, subscribe to Scope's YouTube channel or visit the website.